So thanks Anshul for this invitation first of all, and I think the best part of the summit is one is you get a lot of education from this summit, cross industry knowledge, and also meet a lot of people, friends, colleagues, and also outside people from whom you can learn and take a lot of knowledge from each other. I think that is what the best part of this summit all about. And thanks to ET Auto for organizing this, which we should have more sessions like this, so that the information not only resides within the organization level, it should cascade to the down the line to the people who work with us. One side, from the digital transformation point of view, we are trying to digitally connect the complete EHS function, starting from capturing of data from environment, health and safety into the the management framework. Also have reviews in place so that we can monitor those initiatives in details. Second is the digital initiatives in terms of the implementation side. So whether it is renewable energy implementation, solar energy implementation, or even implementation of a lot of safety measures in the plants, those rolls up to the management layer for review. So we have a digitization roadmap for this. So the data is captured in the systems, then it is reviewed in the dashboards, and it has analytics built in on top of that, with the help of AI and ML, to send us a lot of alerts, notifications, and also management reviews happen through that. And the last but not the least, we have the smart energy management system, which is implemented almost in all the factories now. So the smart energy management system is actually helping us to measure the energy leakage, to measure the energy utilization, and measure the energy requirement, and also we can take optimum level of energy requirement for the organization in days to come.